Welcome back, friends and family. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are doing well. One thing I love about the Sony ZV-E1, it's the low light, but one thing I don't like about it is how when I'm walking with it, it kind of shakes a lot. But how are you guys doing? It's been a minute since I talked to you guys. I thought it was good for me to just take a little break because I just got back from Costa Rica, and as much as I love doing travel content, I know that's not sustainable. So I've been thinking a lot of the word sustainability, and I think that's a topic I want to talk about with you guys today, how finding something I can do that can sustain. And one big topic is money. We need money. Let's not pretend we don't, because money gives you choices and choices to do a lot of things. That's why I love acting, because when you do commercials and you do movies and stuff, you get this residual check. And every time someone watches your movie or someone buys it, you get this residual money. And then, which is another reason why I got into content creating, especially with YouTube, because I know, let me change hands, because camera's getting heavy. And I know that YouTube, even though I'm not getting paid right now, I only have 432 subscribers as of November 10th, and I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. But you gotta pay for it. You gotta put in the work. You gotta make these videos, and you don't know which one's gonna pop off. So, and the last thing I want to talk about is just creating. I want to make sure that I enjoy what I do. And that's more important to me, because if I enjoy what I do, it doesn't feel like work. I'm gonna go upstairs, I'm gonna stretch real quick, and then get my workout on. Definitely gonna do some abs, definitely gonna do some chest. Let me adjust the lighting because it's getting too bright. Do some legs. Legs are very important. I always do legs because my legs are scrawny. And when you do legs, since it's the biggest part of muscles in your body, it releases the most testosterone. So if you want to lean out, do legs. Highly, highly recommend it. I haven't missed a day since I got back from Costa Rica, and before leaving to Costa Rica, I haven't really missed any days there too. And we're headed towards the end of the year, and I just want to make sure I finish strong, because I'm just gonna tell you now, I'm looking forward to January 15th, because I'm gonna leave the States for 2 months. I'm gonna do my Asia tour, and I can't wait to make new content. And I've been doing a lot of thinking on what kind of content I want to do. And I thought about vlogging, of course, because I'm shooting with the Sony ZV-E1, and I just feel like you got to. Let me know. The music's kind of loud here, so hopefully the mic is gonna help out. But I want to make content where, you know, I'm gonna share information this time, just give you more detailed information, especially when it comes to, you know, how much things cost there, and everything I do from the day to day. So that's gonna be fun. Oh man, as you get older, stretching just becomes more and more important. All right, just give me a second. Health is so important, and I don't even get why a lot of people just throw it away. That's a trip to me, you know? You only got this one body, and then you throw it all away. And what's more crazy is people think they could just come to the gym and just work out and not think about what they eat and what they put in their body, and they expect to have this body or this physique they're looking for. I don't know. I don't think that all works. I think when you start taking things seriously, that's when the magic happens. And you gotta eat right. And this is not gonna be a popular choice, but you gotta get rid of alcohol. Because if you're gonna get rid of the alcohol, you're never gonna get the body you want. Alcohol just steals the water from your body, and You can always tell the people who drink because their skins start looking shitty. They start getting this like pudgy little face, and then you got that beer belly. It's all bad. And I don't know. If you really wanna like just really have a nice body, you just gotta cut the alcohol out of your life, period. I mean, if you can't be yourself without the alcohol, then I think that's a huge problem. Some people drink because they want to take the edge off, or I don't know, just to escape reality or something. But at the end of the day, you're gonna have to face reality because you just can't keep drinking all the time. It's just not sustainable. And especially people who drink, they always make excuses like, especially with wine. Oh, one glass of wine's okay. It's study shows, and they always find excuses why it's okay to drink. But alcohol is the worst. That's like the craziest thing you can put in your body. And even though it's legal, doesn't mean it's good for you. And just because everyone's doing it, doesn't mean it's good for you. Just take a look at how many people that you know that still drank, started drinking when they were 21 here in the States, and they haven't stopped. And then as the years go by, just look at them. Just throwing their body away, just don't even care. And I don't know. But let's get some workout in.